Do you think voice memos is just for quick recordings? Well, think again. It's packed with powerful features that can help you capture and manage audio like a pro. Whether you're looking to edit high-quality audio or share your recordings easily, Voice Memos has got you covered. Let's dive into everything you can do with Voice Memos on your iPhone. Number 1. High-quality audio recording. Want to capture professional-grade audio? Voice Memos lets you record in lossless quality. Here's how you can set up. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the App section. Tap on Apps. Scroll down to find Voice Memos. Tap on Audio Quality. Choose Lossless for that top-notch audio recording. Number 2. Trim and edit recordings. Need to cut that background noise or unwanted parts? Editing and trimming your recordings is a breeze with Voice Memos. Open Voice Memos. Then tap on the recording you want to edit. Tap the three-dot icon. After that, select Edit Recording. Tap the Trim tool icon in the upper right corner. Now drag the slider to choose the section you want to remove. Once you have it selected, tap on Trim. After that, tap on Apply. Then tap on Done. Finally, select Save Recording. Number 3. Enhanced recordings for clarity. Want to make your recordings clearer? The Enhanced Recording feature helps you amplify your voice and reduce background noise. Open Voice Memos. Then tap on the recording you want to enhance. Tap the three-dot icon. After that, select Edit Recording. Now tap the Settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now toggle on Enhanced Recording. Then tap on Done. And select Save Recording. Number 4. Organize your memos with folders. Keep everything tidy by creating folders for your recordings. Open Voice Memos. Tap on the recording you want to categorize. Tap the three-dot icon. Choose Move to Folder. Tap the folder with the plus icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Add a name for the folder like Work or Homework. Tap Save. Next, tap on the folder you just created. The recording will be moved there. Number 5. Share recordings across platforms. Need to send a recording to someone? Sharing audio files is super easy with Voice Memos. Open Voice Memos. Tap on Edit in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select the recordings you want to share. Tap the Share icon in the bottom left corner. Choose from options like Messages, Email, or Files to share your recording. By exploring these features, you'll discover just how versatile the Voice Memo app can be. From quick notes to high-quality audio projects, Voice Memos is way more powerful than you might think. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.